Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Bailijin Among Mortals, chapter 202. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Buyi, Qiqi, the two of them went home. Her father was confined on the hospital. Her mother called her that her father was in the hospital. That's why she was rushing to get home. Finally, right now, they're on the hospital. Qiqi was talking. When will the next inspections be? Is there anything I need to pay attention to? Well, I understand. Nurse said your father is so lucky to have a daughter like you, and there are so many young people who are not so patient nowadays, but you have remind him not to drink anymore. Oh, right now, Qiqi. She was done. Well, technically, she was not related to Sinbui's father, but of course, being together, also treat him as her own father. Right now, Qiqi said to the nurse, well, this girl, she was really humorous and also smart. That's why she understand the condition, and also, she was really patient person. She's the one who's handling things instead of Sinbui. Well, what can expect? Buyi is more on like a happy-go-girl, and she is really lucky that Qiqi was hers. On the other hand, since Qiqi is going back to the room, now she's going to enter. Well, Buyi and her family was there. Right now, she's greeted by Buyi and said, Qiqi, her dad seems to be awake, and also her mother, but it's like a happy family right now. Family of 4 persons. I took my uncle previous inspection report and asked some questions. Xiaoxi, thank you for your hard work. This time, get in a hurry when I'm in hurry. Unlike you, who has everything figured out clearly. Right now, Sinbuyi, Qiqi is very organized in doing things. Maybe he is a top student. Oh, definitely she was right on this. Sinbui's father, Xiaoxi, has really grown up. As elders, we will trouble you. You still have the nerves to say that. Go out and drinking every day. Sinbui's mother said to her father. Oh, Sinbui said, Uncle, you really can't drink anymore. It's not too serious this time, but it develops into severe psychosis. Damage will be irreversible. Oh, so this is it. Sinbui's father, he needs to take care of himself. I understand, so I won't drink anymore. When I get better later, I can read a little from time to time. Dad, if you keep doing this, Chelsea, no Duff, there's nothing big going on here. You should go back early. Mom, let's go back first. I think Chelsea is really a good kid. Hey, of course, I know Chelsea. Okay, she has been so smart and sensible since she was a child, but she looks really nervous, of course. Really bothering her about Buyi's and Qiqi's relationship. Of course, more on, she's been afraid, so that's why no one's paying attention. Sinbui's father. On the other hand, Sinbui's mother right now, Xiaoxi and Buyi, 2 girls. I don't know how others will talk about them. Of course, this is the reason getting against the 2 of them. Some said bad things about them. Most relatives can help but gossips, and it's not easy to make things public in school. It's always getting bothered about them. Said to herself, I think it is too difficult. Qiqi's going back. Now, back to Muxi restaurant. Shawa's restaurant. It's a little flower. Right now, it seems that it was a normal day for the restaurant. This girl, she got nervous again. Continue to come every day. Right now, the girl said, no, that strange person is coming. For several days in a row. As soon as you see her, you will know it is her. So right now, she's coming. Ah, Well, again, so Sister Baiwa came back again. Well, look at her. She looks really gorgeous. But the bad thing is, she always did Xiaojin. And it really not makes sense. Right now, Sister Baiwa, the same as yesterday. So, she came here just to buy something, return back to his place. Well, of course, the employee, been rattled, also answered her, good. But everyone is not looking at her because of strong personality. After getting her order, well, probably, since Xiaojin was not here, her aura is too strong. I don't even dare to look at her. But she's so beautiful. Sister Baiwa, she was really tall person. And also, she looks really scary. That's enough. Haven't you have enough of the loss of your appearance? Well, finally, she get out on the store. She was walking on the street. Probably. Well, she should really need to worry. But there's something wrong with the smells. So right now, she can really smell Sister Baiwa. Well, Xiaojin, you must run fast, right? Well, of course, hearing this, I don't want to scare myself. Xiaojin, she really ran fast. And it really makes sense. Still, Sister Baiwa is smoking. Said in front of her, yo. Sister Baiwa, she was really too fast to follow her. Junior, why are you walking? Your eyes closed. Is this your new interest in the human world? Oh, now, she really knows that it was Xiaojin this time. Well, let's see what will happen. Sister Baiwa, don't you also walk in your eyes closed? My eyes hurts because the smell of your cigarette. Oh, it turns out Muxi, see the two of them. No, no, you can continue to smoke me. Xiaojin, she really want to run away from Sister Baiwa. Well, look at her smile. It was really sly. How to get Xiaojin's back away to heaven. It seems that Muxi, suddenly she turned back away from them. Hey guys, thanks for supporting this channel. Komi and Hulkenvox. Thank you for being a member. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support this channel, you can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.